Hello everyone, welcome to Command Line for Beginners, macOS and Linux. This is a simple and beautiful introduction to the world of Command Line. My name is Daud Abari and I'm going to be your instructor. I am a computer scientist by education. I did study computer science at Queen Mary, University of London, and also did spend a summer studying computer science at Harvard University Summer School. I am a former teaching assistant of Java and Python programming at Queen Mary, University of London, and currently I am the co-founder and CEO of Adamo Robotics. At Adamo Robotics, we manufacture and sell RoboKits, and we also develop software, and this here is one of our robots, the Bell RoboKit. We also deliver coding and robotics workshops in schools across the UK, Ireland and Bangladesh. And this is a video of one of our workshops. And here, if you want to see more videos and pictures of our coding and robotics workshops, please feel free to have a go. Who is this course for? This course is right for you if you don't know how to use the terminal on macOS or Bash on Linux. If you want to learn how to work more efficiently and faster using the command line. If you want to learn the command line so you can control the computer. If you are a student of computing, computer science or operating systems, or if you are planning to do so in future, or if you aspire to work as a programmer, systems administrator or in tech, or if you're just curious and you want to learn a new tech skill. In this course, you'll learn how to use the command line to make your computer perform tasks. You'll learn commands to perform actions faster and more efficiently. You'll learn how to be less reliant on the graphical user interface, also known as GUI. You'll be faster in finding files. You'll learn how to create, delete, and copy files. And by end of the course, you'll be able to give most of the basic commands that every shell user uses on a daily basis. And throughout the course, we are going to use diagrams. So, for example, this is one of them, the PWD diagram, which stands for Print Working Directory. This is another diagram, the MKDIR, Make a Directory diagram. And we are going to use the command line terminal for that. So in this case, I'm using the MKDIR command, which creates a directory, make a directory. So I'm creating a directory called computing. Directory in computing is same as folder. So as you can see on the right hand side, there's a new folder called computing, which is empty at the moment. And then I type ls, which stands for list, and as we can just to check whether the directory is being created, and as you can see, there's a new directory called computing. And now we are going to use the cat command to create a file. And we created a file called poem.txt, which you can see on top right hand corner. And now I'm going to write a poem. Let's see how inspired I am today. So that's just some of the commands we are going to learn throughout this course. We are also going to learn what's the shell, what's the kernel, what's the operating system, what is Bash. These are very important topics because they are the foundation. Only when you have some understanding of these topics, you will learn how to appreciate and value more the command line. Then we are going to set up the command line, and then we start with the course content itself. So we start with PWD, then we learn how to make a directory, how to change a directory, and henceforth So overall, we have a good and comprehensive list of commands that we are going through. So by the end of the course, when you see these commands, you'll have a better understanding of what they are about. Thanks for listening. I look forward to starting the course, and let's get this party started.